guys, how are we doing today? We're going to learn how to do a hair scrunchie, just like how you would buy at a normal store. Instead we're using this elastic that you can buy anywhere. You can buy it at Dollar Tree, Walmart, Kmart, anywhere you would like to pick up one of these hair ties that you would get. And we can transform into something cute like this just by adding a little bit of yarn. This week I was blessed with a whole bunch of yarn, so I noticed this one and I'm like, I think I'm going to try this one. I really love how the colors are. There's pink, yellow, and blue in there, and of course the off-white. So anyways, without holding you further on, I'm going to go ahead and start. What we'll do is we'll do a slip knot onto the hook, and the hook that I'm using today is a 5mm hook. You can feel free to use any hook that you're comfortable with. That's up to you what you want to do, but for this illustration, this is what I'm using. And if you have just a hair tie that you have laying around, just pick that up. Of course, and then you need scissors and a yarn hook, or yarn needle, excuse me. Okay, all we do is we go ahead and do the slip knot onto the hook, and then we're going to go ahead and do a single crochet onto the actual headband. Okay, once we do that, we'll go ahead and we'll do a chain 4. Now we're going to go ahead and go back onto the hair tie and somehow hold, hopefully it don't slip and slide for you. If it does, just, you have to be patient. This one's going to be one where it's going to really try your patience on this one. And we'll do another single crochet by attaching it. Okay, another chain 4. And we'll attach it by doing a single crochet. Hopefully you're able to see how I'm doing this. I'm trying to do it slow. Okay, another chain 4. Okay, we'll attach it again by going ahead and doing a single crochet. Okay, chain 4. And attach it with a single crochet. Okay, we'll keep repeating this process until we get to the end. We'll go all the way around it. See, as you can see, I'm struggling a little bit. It's just a matter of having patience and making sure that we do the repetitive pattern by doing a slip stitch, or not a slip stitch, a single crochet, and then a chain 4. Okay, as you can see, it's a little bit ahead. I went ahead and continued doing that same pattern by doing a single crochet to attach it to the hair tie, and then do a chain 4. Attach it by doing the single crochet, and then chain 4. It's just a simple, easy thing to do. It's probably about a 5-minute thing to do. You can use any yarn. I used as a cotton yarn, not 100%, but it does have cotton in it, so this way it's easy to dry. Now I want to say it's probably approximately, I don't know, 75, maybe 80 times doing this around it to make it nice and full. I mean, I'm just guessing. Because me personally, I like it where it's full and you don't see the hair tie in between. Now, I didn't add any bow or anything of that nature to it, but you're more than welcome to if you know how to create a bow. Otherwise, in my next tutorial, you'll be able to learn how to do a bow. I'm hoping to create one and then share it with you guys here on YouTube. Now, if you don't mind doing me a favor, please leave a comment, like, and also please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Now, if you're familiar with my other YouTube video, which is how to crochet a rose, that'd be more of a thing that you could probably put on here too. Otherwise, I have, if you love bats, you know, you could easily do my apple that I have on here on YouTube and attach it to this also. Or a pleek. I really have a hard time on saying that word. I don't know why. Right now I'm currently doing some spa sets. So this is why I have this one tutorial here for how to do this hair tie by crocheting on it to decorate it, you know, instead of it being a simple thing. I know you can easily buy one that's already like how I have on my arm, but I like things crocheted, so of course I'm going to do one that's crocheted. Oops, looks like I accidentally did not a follow. Oh, I didn't finish that one, but that's okay. Now we're getting close to the end. And as you can see, it is getting nice and full, which is exactly what we want. I also noticed at the craft store that you can get those little jewel type buttons. That would be something maybe cute to add on to here, or anything else that they have available at your craft store. I've seen ladybugs. I've seen what else did I see the other day that I thought was really cute, especially for the little girls? Had a teddy bear I think I've seen at my craft store. A little panda bear I think was another thing I seen. That would look cute, attachment onto one of these hair ties to make it, you know, dress it up a little bit so it's not so plain Jane. For those of you that are already subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you tagged a couple of my friends onto this. Or of your friends, excuse me, not my friends. I don't know where I'm going with my words today. I guess it's too much sleep. You figured you'd be losing sleep with this time change, but not me. No, I'm gaining sleep, which is really nice for a change. Okay, this final one that I'm doing right here, I'm just going to do a slip stitch, which is probably the wrong thing I'm trying to do right here for some reason. I'm trying to still continue by doing my single crochets. Okay, unfortunately I didn't bring out my scissors, so I wasn't able to cut that. But all you do is just once you cut it, all I do is take the needle and just shim it right underneath, in between the actual hair tie and then of course the yarn, and then pull it through, so this way you don't see it. Alright, there we go. That's something quick and easy to do. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you soon. Alrighty, bye.